this speed building the new Audi S1 E Tron, one of 4 new speed champions released on the 1st of March. Let's go! Inside the box there is one instruction booklet, 2 paper bags and 1 sticker sheet. This set features 1 minifigure that comes with the helmet or can be changed to the hairpiece. Whilst there is around 30 stickers in this set, there's also around half as many printed tiles. Whilst I consider that number of stickers to be quite high, and it would be amazing if there was all printed tiles, I believe it's that number of stickers that really sets this set apart. The designers have managed to capture all the details, and this set highly resembles that of the original vehicle. There is both new elements and interesting use of existing elements within this set, and the rear of the vehicle the designers have managed to incorporate a snowboard for some of the trim for the vehicle. And on the side there is the new flat angled tiles. Of the 4 Speed Champion sets that was released on the 1st of March, this one is my favourite. I found the build to be equally interesting and enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed watching this speed build. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye for now.